Hey everybody, welcome back to another Krita tutorial. Today we're going to go over the last option in the assistant tools, which is the vanishing point. This will be a pretty short video because it's a very simple option. If we want to just do a quick refresh on the 2-point perspective, we have 2 points here, and then we have our vanishing point, like where we're looking down, and we can kind of modify it with all these different options to change the look. The vanishing point, however, if you just make one click, is just that. It is just the vanishing point itself. There is no extra horizon line modification to this. We do have our little anchors here, and all that really does is help us to move the vanishing point at a specific angle. So if we go to our brush tool and snap to assistance, you can see here it's just going to snap to the line. Now it is going to allow us to make lines in between. So if you're doing something that needs maybe some speed lines or something like that, this is a really fun way to do it. It makes life a lot easier. I've done that before. Or if you just want a simple vanishing point and just, make your life simple, just get your vanishing line here and say you just want a couple lines here, and then go from there and make your own perspective grid without the actual 2-point perspective. You can also do that. But that's really it for the vanishing point. It's very simple, nothing too crazy with it. I mainly just use it for speed lines or just to add some more oomph or pizzazz to some of my comic panels. So if you are doing that, it does make it easy. And that's basically it. We went over all of the options for the assistant tools. The next video we'll just kind of run down a few other basics like importing, saving them, all that fun stuff. But otherwise, we made it. We went through all the assistant tool options and how you can use them in your creations. If you have any questions about any of the tools or the vanishing point specifically, let me know in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer them. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you then.